Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with another custom drawing this time for John Roberson. John reached out to me on Instagram and asked for his custom drawing number 4. He wanted me to draw his original saint together with his two friends. One as a saint also and the other one as an angel. Sounds great, and I have to thank John for another order. His 5th commission is next after this one, so John is a huge supporter. If you guys also want to place your commission right now, you know where to contact me. My Instagram is linked down below. The design of the original saint of John we created together around a year ago. It's a Viking saint and you can also see the video of it right here. I think the design is very cool and original. What do you think, guys? The friend of John is also a saint, and I will give him a saint armor too, but in a different design to change up things and to give the drawing more variation. And as you can see, I'm also drawing these guys ripped to make them look like real saint warriors. The third guy I'm drawing as an angel, just like Wiz on top. I'm trying to make these guys really look alike, but still drawing them in the Dragon Ball Z style and also giving them my own touch. And guys, make sure to keep subscribing to my channel if you are new. I will make a huge special when we reach 400,000 subs, so help me to reach that big goal. For the inking, I'm using the best pens available, which in my opinion is a multiliner from Copic. You can get these in many different sizes, which is very important. The links to the exact same pens I'm using you can find in the info box below. And if you want to see the whole process uncut and in real time, you can take a look at my real-time drawing channel. Over there, I'm uploading all of these drawings in real time. Now we can get to the coloring. Back then, John and I gave the armor of his Viking Saint a red and black color scheme, which looks great, so we will keep it like that. As you know guys, for the coloring I'm mixing lots of different marker brands, which you can also find in the info box below. As for the transformations of each character, I choose to draw them all as normal Super Saiyans, as we don't see that often anymore. In my opinion, the regular Super Saiyan is still the best. Which form is your favorite, guys? Let me know below. And guys, also prints of my drawings are available in case you cannot afford custom drawings. In my shop, you can find high quality prints of my original drawings, so make sure to check that out too and support your artist. And the best and free support you can give me is to like these videos, share them, comment below and subscribe to my channel. As for the angel, I'm giving him different colors so he doesn't look like Whis too much. So, almost there. Now I'm giving the drawing a nice background to finish it up, and I thought a beautiful nature-like background would be a perfect fit for that. Alright guys, last touch and then the custom drawing for John Roberson is done. He and his friends as Epic DragonBall Characters. I think the drawing turned out really good and John is really happy with his order number 4 and the 5th commission is on the way. Thank you very much for the support, my friend. So, how do you like it, guys? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and again, comment below, subscribe if you are new and check out the info box for all the links to my online shop, my Instagram, my real-time drawing channel and the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next video.